So
Hey.
our mug is our cup brownie is ready, and it looks so good. Tell them how it smells, my love.
So good.
Yes.
What are we doing? So it is very late at night. This somebody found. What did you find online?
Why are you putting me on blast?
It's for the people.
A brownie recipe. Mug brownie.
Mug brownies.
And it slaps today, Jesus.
It's loud. Do we need milk now?
I have milk now. I got milk for that.
Anyway, see, if you're going to eat unhealthy in the middle of the night, this is the only way to do it.
Yeah, these mug brownies, they are on another level. Like, I'm not even feeling bad. So we're going to make it
I swear,
now.
we're not feeling bad in any way. Okay.
I've been trying to resist temptation, but this one has sucked me in. So I'll just show you like my like very quick
recipe.
It's very
how
quick.
to do it.
1 minute. It's not even 2 minutes max. One.
Eat unhealthy like us. Please.
No, stop.
Okay, don't. But like, if you're going to do it this way.
These are our mugs.
Show our mugs.
We're
Okay,
twinning.
so I am mushroom.
I'm mushroom, babe.
I'm mushroom and she's tomato soup. Please, if you get why it's supposed to be like that, in the comments.
Why are you supposed to be mugs that we're using?
Okay. Our lovely mugs we got for our wedding. Show them our bottled water quickly.
Our bottled water?
Yeah, like the name of the bottled water.
It's empty.
Just so you all know, Lydia knows, so cute. Okay, continue please.
That's my mom. So this recipe calls for a lot of very easy things. You need to have sugar, flour, and coconut.
Sugar, flour, coconut.
Cocoa powder. You say you want mushroom
Sugar,
soup.
flour, cocoa powder. Okay.
You said yours is mushroom soup, right?
Yes, and mushroom.
Okay. For the flour, I'm going to put 3 of this.
Of
Flour.
flour.
Just regular flour.
Okay.
I'll put the same amount in mine.
3 huge scoops.
Yeah. You can be generous with the flour.
I tried that caramel drip inside it. We have to do it.
You tried what?
The caramel something now, Hershey's.
You dripped caramel inside it.
This is divine slappitude to make it slappy.
Can you stop saying slappitude?
Slappalative.
Okay, describe
We'll try. Okay, but we're
describe
going
it
to
without
we're going
slap.
to try
Without slap. Don't use slap as your adjective or qualification.
facial assault. Bam!
Facial assault.
With open hand.
Maybe I think I mixed up the sugar quantity.
No, you did 3. You see everything.
Yeah, like it doesn't take time at all.
Yeah.
I should have gotten. Please open this.
What?
Take. So for cocoa powder, you want to be almost as generous with it, but just put like 2.5. Cocoa is really like dark.
2.5.
Yeah.
It's dark and it's a little bit bitter, so.
Yeah, so that's why the sugar is as much as the flour too.
Yeah.
So you can add chocolates in if you have. We don't have. This is a midnight craving. It's not as if we've not eaten though. We have eaten.
And the food slapped though.
Yeah.
I'm saying slap again. The food tasted well.
So this is baking powder. I'm just going to put like 1/4 teaspoon. I should have done that before adding my cocoa here.
It's okay.
But that's all. So we're just going to mix the dry ingredients. You need to make sure you mix everything in well.
We're done mixing.
Yes, we're done mixing.
It really looks like just Milo.
Yeah, Milo.
Milo.
Milo call Milo. Milo ni.
It's born with that.
Gosh.
Next step.
We've mixed the wet ingredients. We've mixed the dry ingredients. We want to mix the wet ingredients. So in here, I just want to mix the milk so it's not too creamy. I used dry. I used dry milk earlier. I know it was so creamy. I mixed it with water too, so you can do that for that. I'm going in with Foster Clark vanilla extract. I need to buy more. Jesus, I miss Esther. I know it's because of Esther that I've not gone out to buy anything.
Yeah.
She will always come and
You're
ask me
right-hand
to go and
person.
get them. I swear. So you're just going to pour them in. I'll pour this first, mix it, pour this and mix it. So about halfway. If you have a straight mug, you can get that one and use it. It's better. This one, because of all the cold, flour is really settling in the corner. Yeah. So if you have like a straight mug,
A regular mug.
yeah, those will be better. So it can really be easy to mix up. I take my pride in being very thorough, and that's what the texture looks like. Pure chocolate goodness. So into this, I'm going to add in oil. Coconut oil. I got this oil from Bells and History. It's a natural hair care store. It was quite a lot of quantity for the price she was selling it. I'm adding the oil after mixing the wet ingredients, just so it's not
Doesn't stick to the cup.
no, it's not lumpy.
Oh.
If I put in the oil at the same time I put in the water, I would have had a lumpy mixture. The oil is not more, it will still stick to the cup. The oil is for the formula itself. Oil. Oil. The oil. The oil.
Oh yeah.
The oil is for the formula itself, not the... It's not helping do anything. So I'm just going to set this aside and mix this, and I'll be right back. These are what the mugs look like. I honestly don't have the energy right now to clean them up and make them look pretty, but like this is what they look like. Put them in one at a time. My husband is suggesting I put in 2 of them, but I feel like I want it to be I feel like I want it to be able to be centered so that it doesn't create a mess in the microwave. Why are you putting the camera on me?
No, I want you to explain to them now.
You feel I should put 2?
No, your one is fine.
But
We'll
you're
just wait
making
twice the time.
Yeah, you don't want that.
No.
So I set the microwave and we'll set it to about 4 minutes on high. Now many videos show this for 1 minute, but this my microwave 1 minute does not prepare it properly, so I do it for up to 4 minutes just to be safe that it's properly cooked. I just take it to 4 minutes on high speed. Sorry. So our cup brownie is ready, and it looks so good. Tell them how it smells, my love.
So good.
It smells so good too.
Alright, next one.
Yeah, we're going to put this
turn.
one in. And for about 4 minutes.
4 minutes. high heat. Let her cook.
A quick tip for you to test your mock brownie to see if it's done. Put the toothpick through it and pick it out. If it comes out clean, your mock brownie is ready. But if it sticks to something, your mock brownie is not ready. So that's how you can tell. That's how you can tell. This is going to slap so bad. The other one is ready. It's mushroom soup.
It's mine.
Yeah, it looks so good.
I guess.
Stop it. But we're going to have to leave it to cool. Let me test it. Yeah, it's done.
And when I douse mine, so it's like 75 with it.
So it goes into the stuff. Jesus, that's so much sugar. He's dousing it with this, what's it called?
Hershey syrup.
Come and taste one spoon. Blow it too. So we can end the video. But if you're not in a hurry, you can leave these to cool down and not have them till...
Taste test.
It's so fudgy. Oh my god, the light is not good. Bring touch on my phone. You need to see this chocolate that is going on. Wait, I hope it's even showing it well. Is it showing it?
Yeah. It's a brownie cake.
Move back a bit. Yeah, right there. Look how good that looks. Oh.
Taste test. Okay.
Does it taste?
Zero guilt. We'll walk out tomorrow.
We can't keep living like this, babe.
We'll walk out tomorrow. Wow.
And it tastes nice, but like it's while it's warm, yeah. It's easier. Like I don't know how to say it melts into your.
It's actually
True.
very edible right now.
Yeah. It's not too warm.
Not too hot.
Oh.
I mean the tops anyway.
Yeah.
Boom. Oh, it's a bit hot. Still slaps.
We're rounding out this video here. We're going to go continue watching Netflix. Hopefully we sleep after this. Babe, we cannot do any other thing. Any other damage cannot be done.
Not to food.
Thumbs up, subscribe, bye.